Here's a view along the hallway where we are. We're in room 7 and 8. I'll just get a video of that while we've got a chance. There's 7. There's 8. We're going to try and get to 8. There we go. That's back there. Okay. Go along the hallway. Okay, this is the lift we go down. And we'll wait for the lift to come. The date is 23rd of September 2018. That gives you an idea where we are. Empty lift, yep. Okay, so we're getting like this. And we press the button to go down. Interesting with this one. We just got through those doors. And I wonder why these doors are here. The reason being, as we change around, just to confuse us. There we go. Coming out. And there's the front of the hotel here.